Have your Tesla ever happened these? Are you see rainwater seeping into your air conditioning intake? And often you see some leaves or dust and buildup in this area. Now Tesery has the perfect solution for you. After installing this upgraded strip cover, it can protect the front chassis of your car from rain, splashes, and various outdoor elements. It is made of high-quality materials to ensure durability and reliability. Its base is made of this soft PP material, which enables the cabin and the strip to better fit. You can buy it from the Tesery website. I left a purchase link in the description. It's precision designed and customized for your Tesla Model Y, so you can be sure it will look seamless and stylish. And it's very easy to install. No special tools required. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We're going to have everything we need. Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's use a dry rag to clean the area. Then, we need to pry off these little black pieces both sides. Next, we peeled off the 3mm adhesive on the back. Next, get the clips aligned with the holes and press firmly. Do the same with the remaining ones, placing the clips into these holes and clicking them into place. Next, using the rubber with gasket does have a channel on it that you just slide into place along that plastic strip. Thanks for watching, and we hope today's video provided you with useful information. Remember to subscribe to our channel to be the first to get the latest product recommendations and tips.